Now, SR Group promoters Anshuman and Ravi Ruia finally make their first appearance in the 2G Special Court. This is in connection with the CBI probe in the 2G Spectrum case. Now, Loop promoters IP Khaitan and Kiran Khaitan also turn up for the hearing. Now, remember, the Ruias and Khaitans have received several warnings from the CBI special judge for not showing for the earlier hearings. ETN's Suchetna Ray joins us with the details. Good morning, Suchetna. What's the latest that you're picking up?
The big development today is that finally Ravi, Anshuman, Ruia and Kiran and IP Khaitan have made their appearance at the 2G Special Court. If you remember that they were charge sheeted by CBI way back on the 12th of December last year. So after two summons and one stern remark by the 2G Special Judge, it's what took the Ruias and the Khaitans to make their presence felt at the 2G Special Court today. They were quick to apply for bail, and this bail hearing has been kept for the 21st of March. Meanwhile, the Patiala House Court has also asked CBI to reply to the bail pleas that have been filed by Ravi, Anshuman, Kiran and IP Khaitan, and also by Vikas Saraf, who is an executive with the SR Group. We have to remember that all the accused have been charged for forgery and cheating in bagging the 2G license in 2008 by creating an alter ego of SR, which is Loop Telecom, and which is owned by IP and Kiran Khaitan. The lawyer for them, Mukul Rohatgi, also spoke to us today, and he clarified exactly why they had applied for bail and what took them so long to make their appearance felt at the 2G Special Court. Let's hear him.
So we have moved the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is presently hearing our petition, saying that our case should not be tried by a special judge constituted under the Special Court Prevention of Corruption Act, because our case has nothing to do with corruption, and therefore our case should not be clubbed with other cases of 2G which are pending under the Prevention of Corruption cases, and our case in law should be heard and tried by a magistrate. This is what we have moved the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is hearing the matter, and the matter in Supreme Court is now slated for 17th of April, when I hope that day it will be finished.